Alright guys, welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video I will be speaking about Bitcoin, of course, because he is the king, as well as some few altcoins. Before anything guys, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, subscribing and liking. I see you guys are coming back to my videos and thanking me how you guys made good trades on XRP, so thank you for watching. I'm not asking any sort of donations. I am not like that. Any Bitcoin, no, nothing. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, let's dive in straight into Bitcoin real quick. So right here on the 1 hour time frame, we had a nice little downside. We got rejected by the EMA ribbon, as well as that little support right here. This was a nice support region that we had, a minor one. So that was a pretty nice rejection off that support. Let's have a look at the moving average on the 4 hour time frame. That's a 6 hour. Another rejection, sorry, on the these are the moving averages, sorry. So we had another rejection right here on the 4 hour, a beautiful one off the 9 moving average on the 9, of course. And of course this was a support right here. So we saw two things. We saw a nice little support and a rejection, as well as the POC level, I believe. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so yeah, we had three indicators right here. We had the POC level, which is the volume profile, the moving average, and as well as that tiny little support that we had. So why am I starting with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the king. He is the leader. He will lead most of the altcoins. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is a little bit shaky. We had that nice little rundown, back up, rejected. So now, we're seeing some green and reds. Anyways, moving on to XLM. This is XLM, guys. On the daily time frame, we had this nice little cup right here, the handle, and we broke out. Now, usually, guys, every time we break out of whatever it is, a cup and handle, an inverse head and shoulder, whatever it is, we will usually come back and retest that region before going back up. That's usually what it is. XLM, in my opinion, has a lot of room more to grow. It hasn't exploded yet the way we all want it to. It's an OG coin. It's been around since the 2016 bull run, 2017 bull run. It's here to stay. But yeah, I mean, like, we saw all these altcoins explode like thousands and thousands of percent, and XLM still hasn't done that. I'm not saying XLM will explode thousands of percent, but I think it has a lot to go. I think we saw an Elliott wave right here on XLM, I believe. Yeah, we saw the first wave. I think this was the first, 2 waves, 3, 4, 5. And then we saw that correction, the accumulation phase. And then now we're going back up. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what a cup and handle is, I'm going to explain to you guys right now. Let's assume that this is the neckline right here, which is what we have right here. And a cup would be like this. It would be essentially like that. Come back, reject it like a T, right? Like a teacup, like a T handle. And so this is exactly what we're seeing right here, like a teacup. And then we saw, that explosion essentially. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to, see those at the beginning. It's a lot of practice, of course, but I will make videos on patterns and indicators and what's the best one to use. But yeah, comment below if you guys would like to see a video like that, and I will do it. Another thing is Doge. This is another coin I want to speak about. Before anything, let's have a look on the technical aspect. We are seeing the support right here on Doge, as you guys can see right here on the 1 hour. I believe we also got rejected by the moving. Yeah, we got rejected by the moving average as well as the exponential moving average. No, we did not. All right, let me speak about this coin for a little bit, guys. This coin, for those of you guys don't know what Doge is, well, Doge was actually a meme back in the days, I believe in 2014, 2015, 2012, whatever. It was a meme that went viral. It was that little dog that everyone, they would make a meme out of everything essentially. So what did Doge do? They decided to, the creators of Doge decided to make fun of Bitcoin, and they're like, oh, what is this Bitcoin digital currency? You know what? If someone's going to invent a currency that's worth millions of dollars, then maybe we should invent Dogecoin. Little did they know is that, Bitcoin it's like worth $1.1 trillion right now. And they thought it was BS. They didn't really know the technology behind it and so on. But yeah, Doge is currently valuated at $17 billion. But guys, it really has no value in my opinion. I don't care if Elon Musk talks about it. I don't care if Warren Buffett talks about it. Doge has no value. You guys can disagree with me all you want. It has absolutely no value. Guys, before anything, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? Let's have a look at some altcoins. Let's start off with the Bitcoin dominance to see what we can have over here. So this is the Bitcoin dominance, guys. It is currently it's currently at 55.06, going down. I put these lines right here. These lines have been here for quite a while. The 52.6 target. I would like to see Bitcoin drop down all the way here. The dominance, not the price, guys. That doesn't mean the price will drop down. I would like to see the Bitcoin dominance drop all the way down in order for us to see a massive alt season. We could see the biggest alt season in my opinion. But yeah, let's have a look at what happened in 2017. This was the alt season in 2017, guys. It did drop all the way to 35. Now, for Bitcoin to drop to 35 would be kind of crazy. I believe we could drop all the way here to this region. It's like a sort of a support right here. We could drop to 52, and in my opinion, would still be a massive alt season. To drop to 35 would be a little bit exaggerated. I mean, Bitcoin is a $1.2 trillion market cap. So you know, that being said, I don't think we go all the way to 35. Let's have a look at some other altcoins. I mean, we got NEO and FLM. They're together. So when NEO goes up, FLM will go up. Big news are supposed to come out in these two, so we have to watch out. Another thing, guys, is the Coinbase IPO is coming out today in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's going to be traded on the Nasdaq, and as well as it's going to be traded on Binance as well. So it's pretty crazy. Coinbase is unlike any market debut Wall Street has ever seen. I don't know what is all this hype about. I won't be buying Coinbase, guys. You know what? You know the rule, guys. When the news says something, you do the opposite. That's how I work. Not all the time, of course, but 95% of the time when the news will say something, I will always do the opposite. Watch this, guys. They think that Coinbase is gonna pop. It could. I could be wrong. I could be the 1% because Coinbase is a new thing. To have crypto on Wall Street, essentially, it's very new. So I really don't know how the market will react. I will not be shorting this. I will not be longing this. I'm going to wait to see what happens at 4:30 my time, of course. How much money should I spend on Coinbase stocks, guys? Before going into that, don't look at these articles. Do your own research, of course. Understand what Coinbase is. Don't get into the hype because everyone's talking about it. But yeah, that's about it. Anyways, guys, this is my daily cryptocurrency video. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next update. Peace.